from Vilnius, Lithuania. Today I'm going to show you the worst apartment in all of Lithuania. Let's go on our Soviet Airbnb apartment tour. So just located down here and to the left is the presidential palace. So we're right in the heart of the old town of Vilnius. And we're going to go and look at our apartment tour. Down this little alleyway. Get some graffiti. Place to park your car, but unfortunately no Soviet cars. Punch in the security code, and it's a Soviet building. So let's go. Let's look at the worst apartment in all of Lithuania. As you can see here, a very old building. And let's go and see what we've got. So welcome. So the first thing that you notice when you come here is a long list of rules. Some highlights: switch off the lights when you don't need them. Please do not make any noise after 10 p.m. And the other really beauty is this one here about food. Don't leave food in the fridge, take it with you. So you come in, it's not very good really, is it? Got random slippers, really not nice decor. Kitchen straight out of the Soviet era, really dodgy looking electrics, very old cooker. But my personal favourite is this washing machine, which, as you can see, opens like that. So they've got two beds. You've got the single bed, you've got the double bed. For some reason, when I came here, there's laundry drying, extra bed sheets. Bed sheets are pretty dusty, the towels are dusty. A little area in here to hang stuff right out onto the street. Location wise, it's fantastic. So how much did I pay for this? You may well ask. Well, listen, I paid far too much. I paid £97 for 2 nights, which I think is extremely overpriced for this place. If you look at the bathroom, you get the old Soviet fire. In Soviet times, you would have put wood in there to heat the house. We've got one of the worst showers. Interestingly as well, the owner charges you an additional €8, €4 per night of tax that he calls it, because he says that obviously utility prices are going up. A lot of bad reviews on Airbnb at the fact that the guy charges you €4 per night tax, which is, to be honest, outrageous. When you look at the apartment, it's, you know, it's daylight robbery, to be honest, at £97 for 2 nights, far less having to pay an additional €4 per night tax. Interestingly enough, in Vilnius, the local tax is €1 per night. I would definitely say there's a lot nicer places to stay, better places to stay. The pictures in the Airbnb, a little bit deceptive, but to be honest, I wouldn't stay here again, and I wouldn't recommend anybody stay here either. There's no Wi-Fi. It did say on it Wi-Fi, but yeah, there's no Wi-Fi.